What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Matthew, back here with another workout video. Today we're going to hit shoulders and back. I probably won't record back like I always don't, but we're going to get right into it. Remember, always 3 sets of 10s. Going to try to bump up some of the weight. We're going to go lighter weight, and then we're going to go heavier weight. See what we can do there. Forced cardio. Again, I don't record cardio because who likes watching cardio? I know I don't. So let's get into it, and I will see y'all in the video. See you. What up, guys? That was shoulder day. Went a little heavy on the barbell. Do not recommend it. Went a little bit heavy on the dumbbells, shoulder raises. That's why I didn't do as much, because I went heavier. My shoulders were killing me. But y'all stay to it. Do not give up. Y'all want to see more videos of me talking and explaining things and show my progress, I will do that. If y'all want to know what I eat on a daily basis, I'll show y'all that too. Just stick around. Hardest part is waiting on the progress. That's the hardest part. And right now, I've been doing this for a month, and I see a difference in my chest. I see a difference in my shoulders. I see a huge difference in my legs, which I have not took no legs pictures or anything like that. Probably should, but they are so pale. But hope y'all like this video. Leave a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button. Almost at 200 subscribers. So close. So until next time, see you.